mentioning, I was just seeing Team Udeshri Brinda's rehearsal, and there was voluminous presentation done by everybody. Now I was observing Kalpita speaking merely for almost about say 12 or 13 minutes, close to 15 minutes. So I don't want that energy to be wasted. So we have almost about 45 to 50 minutes time. Vidyavarshini, you have class today also?
No, sir, I did for full session.
So you can stay for the full phase?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So since I don't want to waste their energy, I have preponed their presentation, and the preparation was also seized up, so I thought I can bank in on the opportunity of making them present. So, how do you want the frame to be? Is the frame okay?
Yes, sir. This frame is completely fine, sir. So we will.
Right. So Dakshin Siddharth will be the representative from the team Guru Prasanna. He will be listening direct. And once they finish the presentation, we have some other business to do. I'll tell you what the business is. Because anyhow, Team Guru Prasanna is not having the presentation today. They're going to do it only on Monday. And Dakshin Siddharth, you will take all your books today.
Monday.
நீங்க அம்மா கார்ல வந்தாலும் தூக்கிட்டு போயிடல.
ஓகே சார். பிரசன்ட் பண்ணும்போது
பிரசன்ட் பண்ணும்போது இல்ல யூஸ் பண்ணாத புக்ஸ் இருக்கு.
யூஸ் பண்ணாத.
We have a new activity called as Eagle Radar, R-A-D-A-R, and in the Eagle Radar, I'll give the outline after they finish the presentation, and that Eagle Radar will happen on Monday. After the presentation finished by Team Guru. This announcement will happen. Yeah. We can move your presentation. Okay, so max 30 minutes. Not beyond it.
All the best, Mitra and Brindaka.
Thank you, Krishna. Thank you, Krishna Priya.
All the best, friends.
Thank you, Guru.
Thank you, friends.
Thank you, Guru. Thank you.
All the best, friends. Thank you, Krishna.
Thank you.
Alright, so Team Udeshri Brinda. No, why? It's a good book. Our easy in the world. 3, 2, 1, start.
Good evening, everyone. So I am Brinda. I am here to give the introduction of our presentation. Our presentation is going to happen in a jungle. So here we are a set of psychologists who actually prefer solutions from books. So we six are very good readers, and we always take solutions from the books, and we made solutions for a lot of people in the world. So we have given a lot of solutions to other people also other people in their problems of their life. So we have given a lot of solutions, and also we read a lot of books, and we got a lot of solutions. So the country, the public, and the surrounding says is very proudly. So we are here in the jungle to meet some officers, and we are here in a meeting. So in this jungle, both Naresh Kumar and Meera Jain are there, and coincidentally they also come into this function, at this meeting. So we met them coincidentally. So while they entered into the hall, they actually felt some good vibration by hearing about us. These people are very good given solutions for a lot of people and make their life fulfilled. So by hearing that they wanted solutions for themselves, so they actually come to us and say their problem. So we all decided that they both are a very good persons in their life, because one is school teacher, one person is a school teacher, and another person is
Public Welfare Department.
Public Welfare Department officer. So both are in a very high state in their society. So we decided to give a set of solutions for them. So So that we are here for that, and this scenario, this presentation will go like this. Here we are just imagining like we are presenting them in a PPT form, but actually we have no time to make a PPT, but we can visualize that we are we are actually presenting a PPT to them as a solution, and rest introduction will be continued.
Sir, already Vrinda has given an introduction about who are we and why we are here, sir. So now I am going to give a brief introduction about the role play that we are going to portray, sir. So here, as out of character, sir, we are running to indirect form, sir. So based on that, we have changed a lot of things and we are understanding with them, sir. So we will, through the narration, you will be able to understand, sir. In character, here we are here to present ourselves, okay? Each person, each here, like 6 people are in team Vrinda, a psychological team. So each 6, out of these 6 psychologists, each person being a speaker would provide their solutions. But most of the solutions that we are going to provide here are from books. All the things are from books. And the perspective through which we are giving you the solutions are based on thoughts. More than giving you therapies or introducing you to a new theory, we are going to give positive thoughts that could actually boost you up, okay, energize you. And there are more than how we are presenting our theory. When we tell you about the thoughts and the meaning behind that, I think it would work out, and that's the basic terminology and the basic logic by which we, Team Vrinda, would work in normal life. And as we pay, this is very common. Other people would have accustomed with us. And Naresh Kumar and Meera Jain, as it is the first session for you, you will also get accustomed after the first phase of our presentation. First, I would like to call upon Ms. Kalpita Shri. She is the first speaker of today's session. And Kalpita ma'am, over to you.
Sir, can you see me, sir?
Yes, Kalpita. I'll
Okay, sir.
take my video off so that you can be on a full scope.
Okay, sir.
Everybody, I'm muting down and I'm turning the video off so that Kalpita be on the full scope.
Okay, sir.
Audience, sir.
Yeah.
As the Supriya Kadar was there, we planned.
All right. Okay. Kalpita, you can start.
Thank you, sir. A warm greetings to everyone. I am Kalpita Shri, and I'm going to give my part of solutions as 2 phases. The first phase, it is going to be for Naresh Kumar, and the second phase, it is going to be the second person. First one, it is Naresh Kumar, as everybody know, and he is 35 years old. 6 emotions that I feel he'll be accustoming with is depression. He sometimes will feel he is unlucky and biased. The third one is loneliness. Fourth one is the doubt and self-doubt and the fear he has. The next one is the disappointment that he will have when he is not able to be successful in any of the attempts. And the sixth one is, to an extent, he sometimes have the chance that he shows hatred towards his life. The first one is depression. So this solution I have taken from the book which was written for 5 years, and the book name is The Noonday Demon by Andrew Solomon. This book includes a lot of psychological aspects, and I haven't read the book fully, but I have gone through the review and summary of the book and few main chapters of the book, and that is how I got an idea to involve that in this. The author himself has gone into depression, that he has personally experienced it, and he has written this book for 5 years, as I have already mentioned. He has also mentioned about a lot of clinical and technical terms that I'm not sure of, and I'm going to say you only about the mental attitude on how a person can come across through the depression. The final thing that he mentions is to have hope. As a conclusion part, he says is to have hope, not only in depression but in all the uncertainties that are coming that we are coming across through. We all know about the Great Depression that happened decades back, when the whole world was able to come out of the depression. He says that every single person who is in depression can come out of the depression through one word that is called hope. To all the sufferers who are suffering now and who is going to suffer, he says is to have hope. And he also mentioned 3 steps on how to overcome depression, and this he gives us in suggestion. He has taken a lot of interviews, and he mentions that there are 3 steps on how a person can come across through depression, and the first one is the person have to know the reason on what was the occasion, where did he get depressed, and who were the causes of the depression. The second one is, it is one of the most important thing, not only for depression but for everything that is that we are facing. It is the acceptance, the capability to accept. The person has to accept, and then only they can go and search for the solutions. And the third one is to take that as an opportunity to learn and experience that. From that learning that the person is facing, he can grow taller even more than what he is. So these are the solutions that I would like to give for the first emotion. The second one is the self-doubt and fear. This solution I have taken from the book Think Like a Monk by Jay Shetty. He says there are 4 factors that influence people and that motivates us. The first one is fear, the affection that we show towards others, the responsibility and duty we have, and the next one is the desire that we have to, or that we have in our life. So when it comes to fear, it is one igniting fact, and it is like a matchstick to your life. When you find out the reason on why you are fear, but we most of the times we should not avoid fear. This was mentioned by the author himself, and he says us to take that as the enlightening point of our life. For instance, if you are a person who is going to job, and if you have the fear of getting fired by the company, or you automatically start being organized and you work harder for the company. So that is exactly what the author says us to do in our life also. And the second one is desire. It is something that you have to take pleasure and feel gratitude of yourself. You have to seek for what your desire is, and then work on that. The third one is the duty and responsibility you have. When you have a duty, you have a person who's dependent on you, and you yourself are doubting yourself, and you have fear of everything. The person who is nearby you, that is who is dependent on you, for that person at least you will have a confidence that you have to work for themselves. And he also says to take them as the motivator. And the fourth one is also similar to the third one. It is the contribution you would like to give to the other person, because you are born to help someone. He also says this statement, and he says instead of being down with your self-doubt and fear, he says to take a positive note for yourself and help someone. So these are the solutions that I will like to give for the self-doubt and fear. He also mentions a technical term. It is very simple. It is a while later. It is a question meditation. We have gone through a meditation, breathing meditation, but he says this as a question meditation. And especially this is for the desire. If you would like to seek for what your desire is, he asks us to do the following steps. These steps are similar to the breathing meditation, but it is going to be on a question and answer basis. You can ask what your desire is, and you can pile up questions on how is it is going to contribute for the society. And he asks us to do so. The next one is, if he feels biased and unlucky, and to an extent he also have the hatred towards the life. This is also a solution from the same book that I have mentioned. So this is for finding your passion. When you want to unveil your dharma, he says us to find our passion. And he also gives one technical term, that is, he says it as quadrant potential. Here Naresh Kumar has both skill and passion. The first one is you have skill but no passion. The second one is you have passion but no skill. The third one is you have no skill and no passion. And the fourth one is you have both skill and passion. Naresh Kumar is a person who has both passion and also skill. He has made 11 individuals to be an IAS officer and to an higher rank. So he has a passion and also skill. He has to be thankful for whatever he has, and he has to work upon the passion that he has. Instead of thinking of the past that he was not able to be successful in all the exams, he can be thankful that all his 11 students are promoted and they are in higher levels. So these are the solutions that I would like to give the first person. Now I would like Vishnu Priya to continue.
Thank you, Kalpita. Sir, can I switch on the video, sir?
Brilliant presentation, Kalpita. Very well done. Very well done.
Thank you so much. Thank
Very
you,
well done,
friends.
Kalpita.
Thank you, Ka. Thank you, Vishnupriya. Thank you, friends.
Well done, Kalpita ka.
Thank you, Guru.
Very well done, Ka.
All right, Vishnupriya,
Okay, sir.
Vishnupriya, you can start now.
Yes, sir. Can you see me, sir?
Yes, Vishnupriya.
Okay, Kalpita.
Yeah, you can start. Loud and
Yes,
clear.
sir.
Start.
Okay, sir. So first of all, I would like to say that I am taking solution from 5 books, sir. So the first book is Good Vibes, Good Life, and the second book is Tirukural, and the third book is One Small Step Can Change Your Life, and the fourth book is Leadership Wisdom, and the fifth book is Winner's Manual. So I would like to start with the solution from Good Vibes, Good Life. So in that there was a specific chapter called Positive Thinking. For Meera Jain, positive thinking is really important because if she thinks positive, she can get some ideas of what can be done next. Because today I made a presentation in school about the future. So in future, anything may happen. So there will be lots of changes. So if she has some positive thinking in her, she could definitely be she can definitely change what is happening in her life. And the second solution I'm going to give is from One Small Step Can Change Your Life. In that, the second chapter is about asking small questions. So there's in that book is specific for Kasian technique. So that Kasian technique is asking questions to our subconscious mind. So if we Meera Jain has to she should ask herself that why am I are they doing like this? How can I change it? So if she asks these type of questions to her mind, definitely there will be some solutions for changing it. And the next one is for Naresh Kumar. This is from Winners. I would like to mention here that 3 books, that is Leadership Wisdom, Winners Manual, and Tirukural. This is for creating a team. So in that Winners Manual, there were two chapters like taking on an existing team and creating a self-managed team. So either Meera Jain could create a self-managed team, or she can go for a team that is already existing. This can be also applicable for Naresh Kumar, because he can just he cannot now go write the UPSC exams or TNPSC exams. Instead, he can only train those individuals. So he can just make his wish through the people that he has. He should think of the opportunities that is coming up with him, and he can also give some ideas. So he can just create a team for it. So for that, in Leadership Wisdom also there were some solutions. So like of how to be a leader. So that is if we are having proper leadership skills, we can definitely maintain a team. And for Meera Jain, it's like she has to join a team in which who are in her office. There will be some. Okay, now thank you. Now, so for in the if she joins with a team who the people who are all wise, like they are not cheating like the other persons who did. So if she joins with them, they can definitely get some ideas, and they can if she discusses with them, she could definitely sort out the issue that is happening. And in Tirukural, there was a solution for Naresh Kumar. So in that, I would like to say one Tirukural, but it's not in Tamil. I'm saying it in English. So when what will happen if I forgot? If I forget when this memory burns my heart. So like we have to. It is saying that we have to forget the memories, whatever is happening in the past. So that's what I mentioned already. Like he has to forget that he cannot attend the UPSC exams or PSC exams. Instead, he can only train it. So if we just change his mind in that way, he can definitely be happy and get out of depression. So these are my set of solutions. Thank you so much, sir, for this.
Well done, Vishnupriya.
Gujarat, Vishnu.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Very composed.
Thank you.
Very well done, Vishnupriya Akka.
Thank you, Ritan.
17 minutes. 17 minutes elapsed now after Kalpita, Mitra, Brinda, and Vishnu Priya's presentations. Next, Sivya Litan. I will pass for now.
Sibi,
Okay.
Come on, Shibi.
come on, Sibi.
Yes, sir. One task.
Yes, Kalpita.
CP voice breaking.
Kalpita, did you raise hand?
Sir, he left, sir. Brinda, I think you can continue, Brinda. So that's what I wanted to mention.
Timer resumed. 17:38. 3, 2, 1, go.
So here I am here to give my set of solution for both Meera Jain and Naresh Kumar. So the first book I would like to give is Working with Emotional Intelligence. This book says how we should balance our emotions, as it's for both weakness, or it may be any sort of emotion. We used to think when sad, we always think about our past. So we should balance our emotions. So in second part of this, that is the second session of this book deals with the self-mastery, and there is a chapter called self-mastery. This particular self-mastery says that the gut feeling, this self-mastery comes from the gut feeling, and the gut feeling is always helpful for us to take decisions. Because for both Meera Jain and for Naresh Kumar, especially for Naresh Kumar, he wanted to take a decision because he wanted to take his decision because he was 34 years old. He cannot complete his whole IPS, but he can move on with his life with school teacher by teaching to the students. So he wanted to take the decision that I should be a school teacher because behind him there is he has a family and he want to work upon it, so that he want to earn something. Sitting in a depressed state is not it's not good for him now in 34 years because he was a middle-aged man and he had to work upon it. So for taking this very good decision, he can work upon the self-mastery. So he can bring up his mastery skill and he can make a decision on his own, so that he will not get any disappointment or he will not get any fear of future. Because when this depression comes, it automatically the person starts to think about future and he might go through the fear of future too. So to avoid fear, now when the starting stage or initial stage, we have to complete everything. So if he accepts that he has some problem, so he came for us for a counseling. So as a counselor, I will give him to first make a decision correctly, because now he was in a lack of mind, lack of confidence, and lack of self-control. He was actually splitting out all his emotions and he was so depressed. So I would suggest him first. The next book is not so how to stop worrying and start living. So this book is a very good book where this author wrote his book because he was an unhappiest person who actually worrying about his position in his life. Why he was worrying is, even he don't know why I'm worrying, but he doesn't know why he was worrying, but he wanted to fulfill his job and he wanted to come rid of worrying. So that he wrote his book, and he says that the main goal of this book is to make the reader more enjoyable and fulfilling life. So that is the main subject of the book. So here I learned 3 lessons from the book. The first lesson is associate bad habits with pain and good ones with pleasure. So whatever thing you happened in the past or whatever bad habit you have, you can associate, you can connect it with some pleasure and you can be happy. You long before Kalpita have done a presentation on forgiveness. So he can forgive his life. So he can connecting is by visualization, because if we connect every bad habit with special way, so that he can come rid of it, because it can be applied for both. Because Meena Jain also feels depressed, and she was always thinking about, I have done something wrong. That is, she was very guilt of what she did. So that if she do this method that is associated with pleasure, sure he and she will come out of the problem which they have. The second one I learned from this book is, change the word you use to transform how you feel and deal with problems. So when the problem comes, you have to have the confidence to deal with the problem, because you can change the word, like you can change your mind. So I face problem, like most of them will say, past is past, you have to go on with the future. So whatever thing you have to satisfy with this, because the school, Naresh Kumar was a school teacher, so he knows that how the students, and he knows the students' mind. The school teacher he can like say to himself that the teacher is also a job which is equal to IPS, so that he can feel like very fulfillment in their life. Similar to displacement techniques.
Yeah.
So, and make up your own rules and communicate them to become happier. So communication is very big, because this school person and both the
23 elapsed.
Naresh Kumar and Meena, they both have their own way of communicating with the world. Due to communication, they know outside world. Like Meena Jain know how the officers will behave, how they will change their plan, the blueprint of it. And Naresh Kumar will know about the students, so how they will fix the goal, how they wanted to move on their life. So they know how about them. So they can try communicate to the students and to the officers in a very good way. They can change their way of communication, and they can implement more things in their life. Even though in life whatever we learn, it's not enough, and it's not completely, we are not learned everything in this world. There are lot of things, whatever we learn is very less. There are a lot of things in the world where we have to learn and learn. There are a lot of things. Only we learn is very short. So we have to move on like that. The next book I am taking is Secret. So the Secret says about the positive thinking, and also the Secret book says the secret is mainly about the law of attraction, but it also highlights the point gratitude and visualization. I should take this word gratitude and visualization as where we can visualize a lot of things. There are lot of therapies which comes under visualization. A man so motive, and this secret book is main goal is positive thinking. So its outcomes is whatever we do as a positive thing, it will come as a positive. Meena Jain, she did positive thing, and she actually did it for the people who are suffering in the village. So she wanted to make them a very good life, and she wanted to make them comfortable in the society, and they wanted to achieve. They also have some goal. So she thought of thinking. Her thinking was really very positive, so that she will implement, so that she cannot feel guilt for that, because her thinking is so positive. So feeling guilty for that is totally wrong. Whatever she did, it will come as a positive. So she can believe that point very much. If she believes that point strongly, sure she will get some motivation in her life that my thinking will also come as my thinking's outcome will also positive. The person thinks positively, the outcome will be positive, and the person thinks negatively, the outcome will be negative. Even though the way go correct for him, the way go perfectly for him, the outcome will be negative. The person who thinks negative. So she believe that my outcome will also be positively. Even everything can be changed. So within 8 months everything can be changed, and she can learn new things. Even within 8 months the job also can come and ask, you can join again. So there are a lot of things can happen in future. But always worrying about the future is something which makes us so sad, and it makes us think very negatively. So that we have to cooperate with our mind, and we have to play our mind. So that we have to cooperate with our mind and always keep thinking positively, which is a very good power which is surrounding us. If we make our surrounding positively, the depression and the guilt feeling, the loneliness, everything will be get out of from us if we think positively. Change your life. From here, already Vishnupriya have said about this book. Ask small. Definitely, I also said. So ask small question. Simulated with a sad story, your story, sir. You said that while lifting the weight, you thought that what it would be happen if I lift the future. So like that, you can ask the questions like that. What if I did like this? What will happen in future? So if you ask some future, and if you, at the same time, if you visualize that, it will be great feeling and like even like expect the grade. So that also will be included in it. So if she motivate her and if she change her life like that to the positive surrounding, sure she can get lot of question, a lot of things where she wanted to get changed, and she will get lot of questions to ask in herself. So if she has questions within herself, sure she will get a good idea of future, and she will not think about what worries her, whatever the person who said you're wrong, you're going wrong, you are always taking steps which lead us the team to be failure. So the whatever questions which she heard from others can be erased by herself by asking a positive questions with her, because she was surrounded by negative questions. If she asks positive question to her subconscious mind, sure she will be get rid of whatever pain, the problem she had. The next book I got the Are You the Noble Person Yet? This was Learn to Say No, where if you don't want to say yes. So in the title, the chapter called Are You a Noble Person Beyond? So being a very noble person will always think that if we say no to other person, then we ask something. If we say no to other person, if we ask something for help, if they ask something for them, and if we say no to them, the person will feel hurt. So that is the main reason why most of the person is saying no. So because they are very noble person to help others. There is a question put up in that book, like one person who actually thinks about negative, how the way he wanted to say no. Here I am applying to Meera Jain because her officers think that always she was doing wrongly. She wants the guts to say that no, I am not doing wrongly. I am straightforward. Whatever I did is only for the people's benefit. She wanted to say very frankly, to straightforward to the office. I am important and beneficial for the people who are living in this village. So that if she has the guts to speak in front of them, for that the book Learn to Say No. If we don't, if you don't want to say yes.
29 pages. So maybe another 5 minutes can extra. Yeah, not that. Okay, you can.
So for that I will suggest this book for Meera.
Once again, time will pass. You in the time will be and then I'll.
Okay, sir. So we will complete.
Yes, sir.
That's fine.
So I will suggest this book to the Meera Jain, so that if she reads it, she will.
Time will pass again, sorry. I cannot keep him idle in a direct class from the Romana idle. So I will have to ask you some questions, which is not part of your team. Okay, you know what you know, because you are going to speak, right? That's it. Say, I will ask you some questions. Related to this. Okay. Alright, so 29:54 now actually. So we are resuming. 3, 2, 1, go.
So I will suggest this book to Meera Jain. If she read this book, sure she will have the guts to speak with higher officials and say that no, I am not doing wrong. So she can say the word no correctly, and she was doing correctly. So she has no fear, and she don't want to have fear when she does everything correctly. So she wanted to say it frankly. So that's my point where I bring this book. And the next book is while taking this book, I have another book in my mind, that is He Can Do Things He Can. A small topic stand. Whatever you're doing right, if some person complains that you should have the rights to, because every taking decision your own decision is in your hand, but you have to take it correctly. So there I took a small topic of he can, he thinks he can. The chapter, I didn't remember the chapter correctly, sir, but the name of the chapter is stand for something, and I don't know the chapter's numbers.
Stand for something is H.
Thank you. Sir, and the next one is I took from inspirational moral books, sir. And this book, one topic, that one moral says that this can be applied to both of them, sir. The
Both
moral.
narration. Okay. One moral applies for both narration here.
Yes, sir. So one moral applies for both ones, sir. So the moral is one should not regret on what one doesn't have, rather be satisfied with what we have. So it's very important for both of them, sir, especially for Naresh Kumar, because he was always thinking that I have to become an IPS officer. Instead of that, he can think that whatever work I'm doing is satisfied for me, it's satisfied for my children, for my family, and so on. He can think like that. So this moral applies a lot of, sir, and he can read lot of stories behind this moral, sir. And the last book I wanted to suggest is Good Vibes and Bad Vibes, sir. Vibes and Good Lives, sir.
Yes.
Sir, it's PDF.
PDF.
So today I want to show.
No.
So Good Vibes and Good Lives, sir. So this story. It may be joyful, or it might be sadness, or happiness or sadness, between laughter and seriousness. Whatever things you have to be balanced. You told about stoned person in yesterday. So whatever thing we have to be in the neutral form. So that while we are expressing everything, we can have lot of things with us. So without knowing us, it will happen for us, because being stoned is a very good thing. And here they say about balancing every sort of emotions, like between laughter and the seriousness, between joyfulness and being very nude in the life. So everything they are actually telling that whatever thing you have to keep it in balance. No thing should be like up and downs. No thing should be imbalanced in their life. You should make everything in your life balanced, so that you will have very good future, and you will have your own perspective way of thinking where you can achieve yourself. So this is my sort of solution. I have covered totally 8 books.
8 books. Fabulous presentation. Very well done. Very well done. Very composed.
Very well done, Brinda.
Well done, Brindaka.
Well done, Brindaka.
Very composed, professional, and at the same time, really meaning every single statement that she mentioned. It's a very important factor in the presentation. Based on the mean.
Very well done.
Yeah. Minutes and 27 elapsed. Now, who's next?
Sir, Nirdu Vashnikas.
So far, can I have an inventory of how many books we have covered thus far? Kalpita presented, Vishnupriya presented, Mitra made a gist, and Vrinda made a presentation.
Sir, totally this round of we have covered 26 books, sir. So
Vrinda alone covered 8.
Yes, sir, 8, sir. So, sir, we like many people had common books, sir. I and Vindaka had to Kavek and Jain, sir. So, next time we should be there. So, at the end of the time, I will.
Okay, who's presenting next?
This person.
All right, so Vrinda Vashni, get ready.
Yes, sir.
3, 2, 1, timer resumed.
Good evening, one and all. Today I am going to give my part of solution. So first solution is for Naresh Kumar, and it is taken from the book Power of Positive Thinking by Norman Vincent Peale. So in the 3rd chapter, he teaches us to how to create a peaceful mind, and how peaceful mind helps us to do the work properly, and how the peaceful mind creates a positive energy around us. So in this chapter, he explains the technique that he wants people to be separated time, and people should be alone. He or she should sit alone, and he or she should think the positive things that are happened in his or her past. So where he or she is becoming proud, or he or she is very enthusiastic, if it's an incident like he or she is getting award, like that, if this continuously happens, the mind will becomes very fresh and it becomes energetic to do other works. So if Naresh Kumar do this, he could easily get some positive energy to overcome his
No, Kalpita, she is delivering only audio, not video.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, but I switched on my video, sir.
We are not seeing that, Mridubhashini. Neither I am seeing nor the other people seeing. Anybody seeing Mridubhashini's video?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Mridubhashini, leave and join and then switch on the video.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Around 1 minute it was not on.
No, not close. Have you switched on the video?
Yes, sir.
No, we are not. I am not. Anybody else able to see her?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No problem. Forget it. Are you on phone or laptop?
Laptop, sir.
Laptop should be working fine. I don't know what's wrong. இல்ல யாருக்குமே தெரியல. Okay, it's okay, Mridubhashini. So
Excuse me, sir. Sorry to interrupt you, sir.
yeah.
Sir, if it is in the laptop, sir, it may be to the Droid cam, sir. So the same problem for me, sir. It's not, if I'm turning on the video, it's not visible for others, sir.
Do you have both of you, Rita Nitish and Mridubhashini, do you have separate web camera?
No,
Sir, no, sir.
Skype is not a very friendly app to use default camera. It operates really, really well with a web camera. So default camera பெருசா யூஸ் பண்ணு. அதனால don't waste time on it. Mridubhashini, just go ahead with the flow. Audio is fine.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
So if he continues this technique, he can recover from his depression stage and he could proceed with his current job. He should think of the positive things. He is a very good teacher and he has lots of talent in him. So he should develop that and he can implement with his students. So next solution is for Meera Jain and it is taken from How to Enjoy Your Life and Job by Dale Carnegie. So here her main problem is not making the people very comfortable. So first she should make people should comfortable and make the people feel important. So through that she can get more teamwork from them and team cooperation. So through this also she can overcome her problem and she should be very she should not be very strict to the people. She should be very flexible with the people. Through that also she can be very friendly with all the members of her team. So this also will help her to make more projects in her further life. Thank you, sir. Over to the next person.
Okay, very nice presentation. Good job.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, friends. Thank you, Guru.
37 minutes consumed so far in this presentation platform. Who's next? All right, come on. Get ready, 3, 2, 1, resume.
Hello friends, so hope we have listened to the previous presentations, around 4 presentations, and hope we have got insights from those presentations. And this is going to be the last presentation. And today, in this session, I am going to let you know about positive thoughts, okay? So those I have found from various books, from authors like Anthony Robbins, till some of the inspirational tales about like Abraham Lincoln, then Beethoven, or Mother Teresa, their own thoughts and positive thoughts that are linked up with, especially today's case study is all about Mr. Naresh Kumar and Ms. Meera Jain. So let me first give the first solution, and that is from a powerful author named Anthony Robbins. Awaken the great within you. Oh, sorry. The first thought I would like to mention to you is, this is for both Naresh Kumar and Meera Jai. The solutions that I am providing you is a common one for both the people, because both the people are depressed, and one person is really disappointed that he or she was not able to achieve and pursue his dream, and the other person is really depressed about her future. That is how she is going to get back to work, because she is under suspension. I am not going to reveal the whole problem to all the common people, but the solutions that I am giving could be easily related with those two people. The first one is a thought: a man who suffers before it is necessary suffers more than is necessary. There is always a necessity. Okay, if you have a dream, and if you want to become a doctor also, you have certain reasons. You have certain reasons behind why you wanted to become so. Okay, there are reasons behind all the things, and you will have to, there is a certain time you will have to make an analysis and evaluate yourself about the questions why you need to become a person like those. Sir, as I took note for 3.5 pages, but there is no much time, so shall I skip some?
No, just like you mentioned about the cliche of necessary, worrying necessary.
Yes,
That form of explanation will do.
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Make it rash and fast.
Okay, sir.
Because basically Tony Robbins' solutions will be very, very to the point.
Yes,
So
sir.
you need not explain the theory in detail.
Okay, sir.
Just like Greta Kalpita mentioned.
Okay, sir.
Just-
But it is wrong.
Sorry.
Sir, but I
No. I mean, since you had voluminous solutions, you took long time. That's all. But one solution, ரொம்ப நேரம் time எடுக்கும்.
Okay.
But in the necessary, worry necessary பத்தி சொன்னீங்க. அந்த ஸ்பேன்லயே எல்லாரும் சொல்லுங்க.
Okay, sir.
Never assume.
I also got some two more thoughts from the same book. The secret of success is learning how to use pain. That is, you have to question more.
நீ notes எடுத்தது உனக்கு.
Yes, sir.
Listen பண்றது performance.
Okay, sir.
Notes மாதிரி.
Okay, sir. So you will have to question, okay? If you get into depression, ask the question behind that. Okay, why are you depressed? How is going to be your future? There are a lot of things how we can question. Like 4 matrix is available, and then in the 5 things that you must follow in psychological aspect, there are 3 sets for worry and 3 sets for fear. Okay, if you are afraid of something, ask those 3 questions. And if you are worried about something, you have to ask those 3 questions.
Okay, யூஸ் பண்ணாம பேசு. Okay. நிறைய சொல்லு.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
I think okay, sir.
The next book is about the power. The power, and I have taken the solutions from the summary of some chapters. They are really useful. The first one is, don't struggle to change the circumstances of your life, the situations around you, the environment, and give now through your good feelings, and what you want will appear. According to the 10 self factors, in one of those self factors, the theme is love yourself and respect yourself. It's you who can actually respect if you're not getting respect from any other people, but you could provide that and compensate that particular feeling or disability. The next book that I'm getting into is The Leader in You by Anthony Robbins. The first thought is, step outside yourself to discover what's important to your life and to some of the people. Step out of yourself, discover. It's related to anger management, sir. So the anger management therapy that Sir taught us, in that Sir told us we'll have to get out of yourself and seeing how your body language, how your emotions are just getting out. Okay, so you are going to visualize yourself getting out of yourself. The same concept is pretty much applied here too, inside from the Leader in You book. Next is about communication. Meera Jai has to communicate even more properly. Her communication is not enough, and when she is supposed to interact with her teammates, she must just let them know that this one point was given to Mirva Srika, sir. So I am mentioning about that, sir. That is from
Notes from the.
sir. No, sir. How to enjoy your life and your job, sir. So from this a particular chapter, I think it was the 7th chapter. And in this chapter, what I mentioned is, let your ideas be theirs. Okay, if I am the leader of a particular team, person A and person B are the team, only 3 members. Okay, So I am letting them know about an innovative idea. These two people, person A and person B, must feel comfortable and they must feel that the idea that I have given is their own, okay, their own innovative idea. And then if they work on and if they proceed, I think there will be even more better coordination and cooperation. The next is From Living at the Source by Swami Vivekananda, this book, the Yoga Teachings of Swami Vivekananda. And from this, one question, who am I? So in lot of circumstances, when you read lot of books, you would come across this particular question, who am I? So you better discover yourself and know more about yourself and your capabilities. The next we shall get into this book, the 151 Inspirational Tales. I think this is a gift that I have got. It consists of around 151 stories. Out of those, 6 are very significant and it has a lot of result and lots of learning that you could get from. I'm just going to mention the one statement learning from each, that is seeds of patience. In that story, he wasn't patient enough to, it's a different story. I don't have much time. I'll let you know about, I will let, yes. Seeds of patience. This person, that is the person who had applied to become an IAS officer a few years ago. He could have waited patiently. There was around around 10 to 15 years. If only from 35 age limit, we won't be able to apply for IAS.
36 is the age limit now.
Okay, sir. So if you are
narration is beyond that.
Yes, sir. So you will have to be very patient in all the circumstances. This is a very simple solution that we could give. Maybe the difference around you is about Mother Teresa, her life. Okay, it's a sorry, sir. From her childhood.
I mean, this is not only for Mitra. When you're making a presentation, there are a couple of words that you're not supposed to use unless you are a superior standpoint position holder. Like if you're a professor, if you're a teacher, if you're a trainer, or if you're a coach, you can use words like okay, got it, right, fine. In the மாதிரி words use பண்ணும்போது, when there is a supremacy level attached with your position, the audience will receive it very gracefully. But a peer-to-peer presentation அப்படிங்கும்போது, these are the words that you are not supposed to use. Mitra has got seniors and her own peers and juniors here in this presentation platform. So okay, அப்படிங்கிறது, got it, right, fine. In the expressions we have to avoid. So you have to stay as humble as possible when you are doing a peer. But now we're going to பேசும்போது fine, right, got it, அப்படின்னு பேசினா I'm a trainer and you are training அப்படிங்கிறது மாதிரி. So avoid these kinds of words. Okay, number one, got it, understood, then right, fine. In the மாதிரி acknowledging words ஒரு superior கேட்கலாம், but ஒரு peer கேட்கலாம்.
And making a difference around you, there you can learn a lot of things about the sacrifice she had made, about how she had led her life, about being a leader. So leadership quality is one of the things that you can learn from this particular concept. So I would like to give it to Naresh because he is now a teacher. He is training a lot of people who would like to apply for UPSC examination. So I would like to give this for that person. Everyone can achieve greatness is about Albert Einstein, his childhood, how his teacher spoke with him, and how he recovered years later. Then positive attitude, that's a wonderful story. Out of these 6, that's a wonderful story about Abraham Lincoln. Each year, here Naresh Kumar had only one failure. That is, he was not able to become an IAS officer due to some circumstances. But this person, Abraham Lincoln, each year at each age, from childhood, he had one failure each year. He stood for an election, but he got lost. Then at a particular time, he got lost. He faced a lot of losses in his career. There were a lot of failures, but still he became the president of USA. So that's how we must learn from these high people who faced a lot of failures. Now getting into the next book, Notes from a Friend by Anthony Robbins. So in that I have taken one particular series of statements. I'm reading it out. that you would be able to take it down. Success is the result of good judgment. How about how you judge? Good judgment is the result of experience, how you felt. Experience is often the result of bad judgment. There can be lots of experiences from bad judgment. You could have applied for something, something might have gone wrong, and there can be a lot of learnings from these. And the next book is from the Guinness Manual, that is Managing Change. In this I came across 5 questions that you must ask. I'm reading it out. Over the last...
Take a break, process, right? Okay, so Kalpita was asking something. I would like to share some screen. Time will pass, Mithila can take some break. See the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So,
Yes, sir.
right. Yeah, okay, so she was asking about secret. Now, I would like to show you something here. I got an external hard disk, and the external hard disk has got this, 2017. I had CDs and DVDs sold to some students. So, in this, if you take, there is something called as 2017, yes, 2017 MS DVDs full package. There is something called as the commodity of kings. So, once again.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah, so if you could see this, law of attraction. So law of attraction is introduction to law of attraction. This is an audio that I prepared. I read that book and I recorded my voice and I edited. I think I prepared this way back in 2014 or something. No, 2011. I prepared this in 2011. Secret movie and the sections and the book. Secret movie நீங்க தெரிஞ்சுக்க வேண்டிய ஒரு விஷயம் இருக்கு. We will come back to this. But அதுக்கு முன்னாடி நான் வீடியோல காமிக்கிற இந்த விஷயத்தை
நல்ல முடியாது.
டேய் என்னடா ஜேம்ஸ் பாண்ட் மூவி மாதிரி கேக்குற? டாக்குமெண்ட்ரி மூவிடா.
Oh,
If you could see in this particular book, boys and girls,
Sir, பாத்து புடிங்க சார், கீழே காமிங்க சார்.
So if you see Bob Proctor பேசினது இங்க இருக்கும். அதுக்கு கீழே ரோண்டா பைரனுடைய இன்ஃபரன்ஸ், ஜோ விட்டாலே பேசினது இங்க இருக்கும், லிசா நிக்கோலஸ் பேசினது இங்க இருக்கும், மைக்கேல் பெர்னார்ட் பெக்வித் பேசினது இங்க இருக்கும். சீக்ரெட் மூவில இதுக்கு மட்டும்தான் இருக்கும். இந்த மாதிரி ஜேம்ஸ் ரே பேசினது இங்க இருக்கும். இவங்க பேசுறாங்க இல்லையா, ஜேம்ஸ் ரே அப்புறம் பாப் ப்ராக்டர் இவங்க எல்லாம் பேசுறாங்க இல்லையா, இது மட்டும்தான் சீக்ரெட் புக்ல இருக்கும். But there are other things that we need to take care also, these things. Now let me explain how I have made this documentary. இப்போ okay. இப்போ I'll show you something. Now this is a secret movie. I have got the secret, fortunately I have got secret movie also. So this is a secret movie. In the booklet, and the authors oda name ku keela irukra ellame idhula movie கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க. The authors themselves will speak.
I began tracing the secret back through history.
see, the secret was hidden in the ancient times, during the Babylon times. After a century, the secret was covered.
All I wanted to do was share the secret with the
The secret was suppressed being in the statement to cover it, listen carefully.
I couldn't believe all the people who knew this. They were the greatest people in history. Why doesn't anyone know this? All I wanted to do was share the secret with the world. I began searching for people alive today who know the secret. One by one, they began to emerge.
You know, this secret gives you everything you want. Happiness, health, and wealth. You can have, do, or be.
So, this is Joe Vitale, and he's saying you can have, be, and whatever you want. அப்படின்னு அவர் இங்க இந்த மூவில சொல்றாரு பாத்தீங்களா? இதை கேட்டிருக்கீங்களா?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. இல்ல. Yeah. இப்போ பாப் ப்ராக்டர் பேசின அந்த ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் இங்க இருக்கு பாருங்க. The secret gives you anything you want, happiness, health and wealth. இப்போ நான் பாஸ் பண்ணிருக்கிறது ஜோ விட்டாலே சொல்லியிருக்கிற இந்த ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் இங்க இருக்கு. You can have, do anything. Dakshin, play பண்ணு. John Asraf.
Anything you want.
We can have whatever it is that we
Pass,
choose.
Dakshin.
I don't care how.
See, John Asraf. We can have anything, whatever it is want, we choose. I don't care how big it is. இந்த மாதிரி அவங்க பேசுறது எல்லாமே இங்க கோர்ஸ்ல கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. ஓகே, அந்த கோர்ஸ் எல்லாத்தையும் சேர்த்தது தான் இந்த 1.5 மணி நேரம் மூவி. பட் what you are not supposed to miss is Rhonda Byrne's written encryptures here. இதை நீங்க மிஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது இல்லையா? So what
the meaning of these statements?
No, this is not, it's not the meaning, it's the inference of the statement. அந்த மாதிரி அதை எப்படி யூஸ் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லிருப்பாங்க.
Okay, sir.
இவங்க சும்மா வந்து அதை பத்தி இன்ஃபரன்ஸ் தான் சொல்லிட்டு போவாங்க. பட் அந்த மாதிரி அதை எப்படி யூஸ் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லுவாங்க.
So இந்த book வந்த அப்புறம் தான் lunch.
ஆமா, இந்த புக்குக்கு அப்புறம் தான் படம். இந்த புக் வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் அதை யூஸ் பண்றதுக்கு படம் எடுத்தாங்க. Now what we are going to do is we need to have 3 packages. இந்த ஸ்டோரி இந்த மூவி ஃபுல்லா நீங்க பார்க்கணும்.
What kind of a house do you want to live in?
Do you want to be a millionaire?
What kind of a business do you want to have?
Do you want more success?
What do you really want?
I've seen many miracles take place in people's lives. Financial miracles, miracles of physical healing, mental healing, healing in relationships.
I was attracted, and so I grew up with a lot of belief.
So these people speak about this. பொறுமையா உட்கார்ந்து பாருங்க. Tomorrow is the best day for seeing that. But இது எப்படி உங்களுக்கு கொடுக்கறத பத்தி நம்ம அப்புறம் பேசுவோம். நான் 3 பேக்கேஜ் உங்களுக்கு கொடுக்கலாம்னு இருக்கேன். This is the movie. இது YouTubeல இருக்காங்கிறது தெரியல, but if it is a better version பாருங்க. இல்ல பாருங்க. The next one is இதுல இந்த law of attraction அப்படிங்கிறதுல இந்த மூவில இருந்து யாருக்கெல்லாம் அந்த காலத்துல என்னால மூவியை அனுப்ப முடியலையோ அவங்களுக்கு நானே அந்த வாய்ஸை மட்டும் எடுத்து அனுப்பிச்சேன். If you could see and play this. See?
By one, they began to emerge.
அது அவங்க பேசுறது மட்டும் ஆடியோவா எடுத்திருக்கு. So what you have is you have the movie and you have the audio of it. Okay? Beautiful. So Dakshin has got the real good print of the secret. He will send the link to the. So இது இப்போ உங்களுக்கு தேவையில்லை. Once you have the movie, இந்த ஆடியோ உங்களுக்கு தேவையில்லை. ஆனா the next one is the important one. The secret audio book நான் ஒன்று ரெடி பண்ணிருக்கேன். அது என்னன்னு சொல்லி கேட்டீங்கன்னா இந்த புக்கை ஃபுல்லா படிச்சு ஒவ்வொரு சாப்டரா படிச்சு அதை ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணி நாய்ஸ் ரிமூவ் எல்லாம் பண்ணி எடிட் பண்ணி ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணி 10 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி 2011ல.
This is Dr. Manikandan Sundaresan of The Secret, and there have been many who found a way of spreading this knowledge to the world. The greatest teachers who have ever lived.
So the voice that you are hearing are the voice of the readings of this particular passage of the book. Okay, right? So in the bookல இருக்கிற டோட்டலான விஷயங்கள் எல்லாமே ஆத்தர்ஸ் பேசுறது ஃபுல்லா மூவியா உங்ககிட்ட இருக்கு. ரோண்டா பேரன் பேசின என்கிரிப்ஷன்ஸ் ஃபுல்லா என்னோட வாய்ஸா இதுல இருக்கு. ஸோ இது மொத்தமா 11 சாப்டர்ஸ். அந்த 11 சாப்டர்ஸையுமே நான் படிச்சு ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணி இதுல வச்சிருக்கேன்.
அப்படியே
புக்ல இருந்து அப்படியே படிச்சு ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணுவேன். மித்ரா வாஸ் ஜஸ்ட் 2 years or 4 years old. ஸோ இது வந்து எப்படின்னா டிவிடி பேக்கேஜா என்கிட்ட வாங்கும், கமர்ஷியலா பே பண்ணி. ஸோ இதை நான் ஃபர்ஸ்டா வந்துட்டு யாருக்கும் வந்து இதனுடைய அருமை புரியாம நான் ஃப்ரீயா கொடுக்குறது. இதை உங்களுக்கு நான் ரீச் பண்ணுவேன். எப்படி அப்படின்னு சொல்லி பாத்தீங்கன்னா, மூவி நான் தர்ஷன் சென்ட் எங்கிட்ட இருக்கிறத விட நல்ல ஹை டெஃபினிஷன் மூவி இப்போ யூடியூப்ல இருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். பாருங்க. இஃப் இட் இஸ் நாட் காப்பிரைட் இஷ்யூல அது வந்து உங்களுக்கு பிளே ஆகலன்னா என்கிட்ட சொல்லுங்க, நான் மூவி தரேன். ஆனால் இதனுடைய ஆடியோ புக் அப்படிங்கிறது இதுல இருக்கு. அண்ட் அதே மாதிரி மித்ராவும் பிருந்தாவும் பிரசன்ட் பண்ணாங்க பவர் புக் பத்தி. ஸோ பவருடைய டோட்டல் ஆடியோ புக்கும் படிச்சு ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணிருக்கேன். இன்ட்ரோடக்ஷன்ல இருந்து 12th chapter வரைக்கும். So you have a recording of almost about say 4.5 hours of recordings you have in Power, and 3.5 hours of recording.
Or turn away from the things that you don't love, so you don't choose them.
Headphone போட்டு போய் கேக்குறீங்க, ஆடியோ கிளியரா இருக்கா? Very able to clearly listen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Fine. இது மீட்டா சீக்ரெட். இது மீட்டா சீக்ரெட். சீக்ரெட்டை பார்த்து காப்பி அடிச்சுக்கிறாங்க. So we are going to have this book, Law of Attraction. இந்த Law of Attraction இது தேவையில்லை. படமே உங்ககிட்ட இருக்கும்போது அதனுடைய ஆடியோ உங்களுக்கு தேவையில்லை. பட் நான் ரெடி பண்ண சீக்ரெட் ஆடியோ புக் அண்ட் தி சீக்ரெட் மூவி, இது 140 MB. இது வந்து நான் டாக்குமெண்டா உங்களுக்கு அனுப்பிச்சிடுறேன் வேணா வாட்ஸ்அப் குரூப். Will that be fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
இது ஒவ்வொன்றா கேளுங்க. இந்த புக்கை நீங்க வாங்க வேண்டாம், அது இருக்கு. ஸோ டீடைல்ஸ் இது வந்து 2.5 மணி நேரம். சீக்ரெட்டை விட பவர் கொஞ்சம் பெரிய புக்கு. இது 2.5 மணி நேரம். ஒவ்வொரு டாக்குமெண்ட்டும் அனுப்பிச்சிடுறேன். மூவி வந்து 1.5 ஒரு ஹாலிவுட் மூவியோட விஷயம்.
அந்த வாய்ஸ் கேட்குது. இல்ல வேற லாங்குவேஜ். So I have one answer.
Action already control.
இல்ல சார், அதான் சொல்லிட்டேன்.
இத போ. இது மீட்டர் சீரிஸ். I leave it. இது வந்து better.
இல்ல சார், இது வந்து வேற.
Mitra is now sending a link. அந்த லிங்க்ல கொஞ்சம் ஹை டெஃபினிஷன் இருக்கு, அது பாருங்க.
Okay, sir.
So Kalpita, as you asked for, you will be given, and யார் வேணுமோ எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Audio of the entire book, secret movie. That's both are available for you. இத முதல்ல பாருங்க. பார்த்து முடிச்சிட்டு பவர் கேளுங்க. பவர் நான் பண்றேன். முதல்ல சீக்ரெட். முதல்ல சீக்ரெட்டோட ஆடியோ கேட்டு எனக்கு நோட்ஸ் கொடுங்க. அது ரிலேஷன்ஷிப்ஸ் பத்தினா வரும். சீக்ரெட்டோடைய சாப்டர்ஸோடைய பேஜஸ் வேணா நான் உங்களுக்கு அனுப்புறேன். அதில் skip relationships part, but finance and contribution and steps of secret, அதெல்லாம் நீங்க தாராளமா பாருங்க.
Okay, sir.
ஆமா, அது நான் இன்னைக்கு நைட் உங்களுக்கு அனுப்பிச்சிடுறேன். டாக்குமெண்டா போட்டு அனுப்பிச்சிடுறேன். நான் டவுன்லோட் பண்ணுறேன். அது லிங்க். இந்த ஆடியோ நீ டவுன்லோட் பண்ணி நீ போன்ல வச்சுக்கோ. பாட்டு கேட்கறதா எப்போ வேணாலும் கேட்கும். ஒவ்வொரு ஆடியோவும் 20-25 நிமிஷத்துக்கு. ஓகே, ரைட். Go one by one. Okay, so the presentation by Mitra and Kalpita Sri have to be continued only on Monday because Dakshin's mom has come and Brinda's parents want to come. Check.
Thank you, Dakshina. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, Brenda. Expect great things and let's talk.
So,
Bye, Brenda. I expect great things and let's talk.
Brenda, Mitra எடுத்து போய்க்கோ. இங்க பாருங்க 46 minutes presentation முடிச்சிருக்கீங்க. So, Mitra உடைய half presentation, அதுக்கப்புறம் யாரு இருக்கு? கல்பிதா இருக்கு. So, Kalpita உடைய half presentation and then Dakshin Sudhar. பேசலாம் பார்க்கலாம். And then Dakshin Sudhar's presentation has to be there. Okay. So, any other questions? We will close here. Our online members, you have any questions before we leave?
No, sir.
Yeah. உங்களுக்கு கொடுத்துருக்கு 35 minutes. அதுக்கு முடிக்கணும். நீங்க எவ்வளவு சீக்கிரம் முடிக்கிறீங்களோ அடுத்த ஆக்டிவிட்டிக்கு இதோட ரிசல்ட் எல்லாம் பார்த்துட்டு அப்புறம் அடுத்த ஆக்டிவிட்டி. Eagle Radar is a mind role play, mono act and physical game எல்லாம் கலந்த ஒரு ஆக்டிவிட்டி. இன்னைக்கு மார்னிங் தான் டிசைன் பண்ணி ஸ்கிரிப்ட் எடுத்து வச்சிருக்கேன். You will like it. Let's see.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, Dakshin, So, Dakshin, நீ அந்த பழைய books எடுத்துக்கோ. பழைய books எடுத்துக்கலாம். இதெல்லாம் மண்டேக்கான presentation books மட்டும் இல்ல இந்த books வச்சு இல்ல படிக்கிறது இல்ல இப்போ டெஸ்ட் ஸ்லிப்ஸ் முடிச்சோனே நான் கேட்டேன் நீ கேட்டா Any other questions, boys and girls?
No, sir.
Okay, meet you with the CRS station tomorrow morning or in the afternoon. காலையில 10 மணி வரைக்கும் நீங்க அப்டேட் பண்றதெல்லாம் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. 10 மணிக்கு மேல யாருமே அப்டேட் பண்ண கூடாது. அப்டேட் பண்ணீங்கனாலும் that will not find the place in your CRS. Okay, right.
Okay.
10:30 max. What are you? 10:35 கமிச்சா? Yes, sure. சீக்கிரம். Okay, ஒரு நிமிஷம் லட்சுமி. இங்க எடுத்தியா?
Yes, sir.
ஆனா இப்பலாம் என்ன நோட் பண்ண முடியாது. நீ அனுப்புங்க.
Books, sir.
Okay, என்னடா சொல்லு.
Sir, can you just send it by today, sir? Tomorrow I won't be able to send it, sir, because I'm going outside, sir, tomorrow.
எங்க போற?
Sir, பெரியப்பா வீட்டுக்கு போறேன், sir.
வந்துராஜன் டாக்டர் வீட்டுக்கா?
Yes, sir.
சரி. அவரை நான் ரொம்ப கேட்டேன்னு சொல்லு.
Okay, sir.
மித்ராவுடைய அப்பான்னு சொல்லு.
Okay, sir.
அவருக்கு தெரியாது.
நான் தெரிய வச்சிடுறேன், sir.
சூப்பர். போட்டோ காமிச்சு.
Okay, sir.
சரிமா, இன்னைக்கு Vishnu Priya, quick.
Yes, sir. Sir, today I had a speaking assessment, sir. So, more than everyone, I got nice appreciations from my teachers, sir.
Good.
Super, ka.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well done, Vishnu Priya.
Thank you.
Well done, sir.
Thank you, Guru.
ஒரு முக்கியமான விஷயம் தக்ஷன் எல்லாரும் இருக்கீங்கன்னு எல்லாரும் கேட்டுக்கோங்க. எனக்கு ஒரு சின்ன ப்ராஜெக்ட் உங்களுக்கு கொடுக்கணும்னு நான் நினைச்சிட்டு இருக்கேன். Like Kalpita mentioned about 573 ideas. That's a great job, Kalpita. Really good.
Very well done, Kalpita.
So, ஒரு live documentary presentation. Each member will do it for 5 minutes. And the 5 minutes நீங்க என்ன சொல்லணும்னா, it's been almost about 2 months since you people have started IP and JW, Idea Pad and Journal Writing. இந்த ஐடியா பேட்ல இருந்து நீங்க யூஸ் பண்ண ஐடியாஸ்னால உங்களுக்கு கிடைச்ச ஃபீலிங், ஜர்னல் ரைட்டிங்னால நீங்க எழுதுனதுல உங்களுக்கு கிடைச்ச ஃபீலிங்கை பத்தி ஒரு 5 or 6 minutes of personal feeling revelation every single person has to do. Yeah. So அதுக்கு Monday இந்த பிரசன்டேஷன் முடிஞ்சு லீகல் ரேடருக்கு முன்னாடி அதை நடத்திக்கலாம். ஏன்னா நீங்க எந்த அளவுக்கு இப்போ கல்பிதா 573 ஐடியா, மித்ரா ஒரு 300 ஐடியா அப்படின்னா என்னென்ன ஐடியாஸ் இது வரைக்கும் இம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் பண்ணி உங்க வாழ்க்கை மெருகேறி இருக்குன்னு நான் பார்க்கணும். And it has to be very genuine. சும்மா பேசணுங்கிறதுக்காக பேசுனீங்கன்னா நான் ஈஸியா கண்டுபிடிச்சிருவேன். And you will see the monster out of me if that happens. It has to be very genuine, real. இல்ல அப்படின்னா உண்மையை சொல்லிடுங்க. என்னால அப்படிலாம் ஒண்ணும் இல்லை சார், எழுதப்பட்டுதான் செஞ்சேன்னா உண்மையை சொல்லிடுங்க. ஆனா don't cook up stories and get yourself in danger. So, okay, right. So all that on Monday, and tomorrow we will see the learning graph.
Sir, I'm having 2 things, sir.
So,
Sir, an idea, but I haven't wrote much, sir. But I have wrote things, sir. My ideas for the past month, sir. It's like about not much 50 to 55 ideas only, sir. But it has been really affected my life, sir. I will just explain in Monday, sir. And every single idea I wrote, I have done it in the session, and I have implemented in my real life, sir. So I'll, and there is a second thing, sir.
அதைத்தானே நானும் சொல்றேன். இவ்வளவு நேரம் அதைத்தானே நானும் சொல்றேன்.
How
லைஃப்ல
are
எப்படி
you,
இதா
sir?
சார் இதை கேட்டு ரொம்ப நாள் ஆச்சு சார்.
Yes, sir.
இது வேணாம். இல்ல அது புதுசா ஏதாவது. Okay, so the point, how are you கேட்டீங்க? முதல்ல உங்களுக்கு உனக்கு. So point என்னன்னு சொல்லி கேட்டீங்கன்னா நீங்க எந்த அளவுக்கு அதுல சின்சியரா இருக்கீங்கறத நான் பார்க்கணும்ங்கிறதுக்காக மட்டும்தான். Okay, so be very candid and be very honest on that part.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, Vishnupriya, can you please stay in the call? I have to ask a question.
Okay, so Vishnupriya will stay in the call. So Balaji, Sibiadityan, Guru Prasanna, Mridubashni, Vishnupriya, Kalpita Shri, and Sanjay is not here today. Aswathaman எப்போ சொல்லாம ஆம்பாட்டுக்கு எப்போ போனா? யாருக்கா சொன்னானா?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
And how long? How long it's been since Aswathaman was missing?
Sir, I think 6:45 he left, sir.
Guru Prasanna, mark a minus of 50 marks for your team.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. I will just ask him the reason, sir.
சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கு அப்புறம் 1 minute 2 minutes சொன்னதான் ஃபைனல். 6:45 எங்க இருக்கு? 7:30 எங்கடா இருக்கு? இங்க அவங்க தண்ணி கூட குடிக்காம இவ்வளவு தூரம் கத்தி பேசுறீங்க. அவன் பாட்டுக்கு என்னமோ போயிடுச்சு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு அப்டேட்டும் கிடையாது, ஒண்ணும் கிடையாது. என்ன நினைச்சிட்டு இருக்கீங்க? சொல்லி முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் 1 minute 2 minutes. அவன் பெரிய பிரைம் மினிஸ்டர். Guru Prasanna, 50 marks minus.
Sir, please, sir. Sir, I will ask him what was the reason, sir. Sir, in the group meeting also he had some network issues, sir.
Guru Prasanna, I don't care if it was network issue or if it was tower issue. At least he should have given the information to you as a leader. Did he do that?
No, sir.
Then give it a rest. Don't care. Don't bother. So இங்க ஒருத்தன் வந்து 1.25 மணி நேரம் சும்மா உட்காந்துருக்கான். ஆப்போசிட் டீம் பிரசன்ட் பண்றத கேட்டுட்டு அவனுக்கு வந்துட்டு அப்படி ஒரு செஷன்ல சும்மா உட்காந்து போகக்கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு நான் கொஸ்டின் ஏதோ கேட்கணும்னு நினைச்சேன். பட் அதுக்கும் டைம் இல்லாம போயிடுச்சு. யாருமே ஐடியலா இருக்க கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒவ்வொருத்தர் மைண்டி இக்னேட் பண்ணணும்னு நாங்க ட்ரை பண்றது இவன் என்னவோ போச்சு நம்ம பாட்டுக்கு போயிட்டானா. 2 பேரும் என்ன சொன்னானுங்க? மழை நின்றுச்சுன்னா வரேன்னு. அப்ப வாய் மூடி அந்த வேலையை செய்ய வேண்டியது தானே. இவனுல யாரு கால் நாள் காலை போட்டு உட்காந்து ஆன்லைன் நடக்கணும். மழை நின்னது வந்துட்டு 5 காலம் நின்னாச்சு மழை. Am I right or wrong? So then you should have carried your entire body here, right? You didn't do that. Then why the bloody hell you are giving such a promise, Ratan Nitish? ஒருத்தர் மழையில நினைஞ்சிட்டு வராங்க, ஒருத்தர் கார்ல வந்துட்டு அங்கிருந்து பயங்கரமான மழையில வந்துட்டு இருக்கிற பங்கர்ஸ் எல்லாம் தாண்டி வந்துட்டு இருக்காங்க. இங்க இருந்து ஒரு 10 ஃபீட்ல வந்து வீட்டை வச்சுக்கிட்டு உங்களுக்கு மழையில வர முடியல. இது நெட்வொர்க் இஷ்யூ. உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் ஹை எஃபிஷியன்ட் லேப்டாப், ஒவ்வொருத்தரும் 50,000 60,000 ரூபாய்க்கு லேப்டாப் வச்சிருக்கீங்க, 2 போன் வேற. உங்களுக்கு எதுக்கு அதெல்லாம்? ஒரு கிளாஸ்ல முக்கியமான இப்ப சீக்கிரட்டை பத்தி சொன்னது எதையுமே அந்த கிறுக்கு கவனிக்கல. What a kind of a learning mismatch that the kid has got right now. ஏற்கனவே வந்துட்டு 7 மணிக்கு வந்து நிக்கிறான். நேற்று எல்லாரும் கிளம்பும்போது வந்து நிக்கிறான். ரத்தன் நிதிஷ்ண போனஸ் கொடுத்ததுக்கு காரணமே தர்ஷனோட அம்மா வந்து தர்ஷனை கூட்டிட்டு போறப்ப நின்றுட்டு இருக்கான். வந்து அவர் ரத்தன் 15 நிமிஷம் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணிட்டு போறான். இன்னைக்கு அதான் பண்ணிருக்கான். Bloody hell. Saturday he is supposed to attend the full session and half session he is left. இனி வந்து குரூப்ல வந்து ஏதாவது உளறான். குரூப்ல வந்து அவன் வந்தானா கொன்றுவான். சொல்லிருங்க, எந்த எக்ஸ்கியூஸும் வேண்டாம்னு சொல்லிருங்க. மைனஸ் கொடுத்ததான் குரூப்ல வந்துட்டு புதுசா வந்துட்டு கிராமட்டிக்கல் எரரோட தப்பான ஸ்பெல்லிங்கோட ஏதாவது அனுப்புவான். அதை எனக்கு அனுப்ப வேண்டாம்னு சொல்லுங்க. Don't give him excuses. He has already given the minus னு யாராவது மெசேஜ் அனுப்பிச்சு. அவன் நான் மண்டே வரட்டு பேசிக்கிறேன்.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, not anything about Ashwathaman only, sir. We are okay with accepting the minus as it is his problem, and I called him right now, sir. So it's switched off, sir.
உன்னை கால் பண்ண சொன்னேன். Good. You are trying. அது சந்தோஷம் தான், இல்லைன்னு சொல்ல. ஆனா ஆர்வ கோளாறுல சொல்லாத விஷயத்தெல்லாம் செய்யாது. முன்னாடி அறிவு இருந்திருக்கணும் உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம். இப்ப நான் சொன்னதுக்கு அப்புறம் பாக்குறீங்க. நான் கால் பண்ணேன், வெத்தலை பாக்கு வச்சு கூப்பிட்டேன் அப்படின்ட்டு. நீங்க எல்லாம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அதை பண்ணிருக்கணும்.
Sir, no sir, I saw saw Ashwathaman left at 6:45, sir. Sir, I thought that after network issue he joined, sir, but he is not.
100%. 6:30 மணிலிருந்து 7:30 மணி வரைக்கும் just imagine how many things that idiot has missed. பிருந்தா மட்டும் 8 புக், மித்ரா வந்துட்டு இப்ப நான் நிறுத்துற வரைக்கும் கிட்டத்தட்ட 5 புக், கல்பிதா ஒரு 7 புக், மிருதுபாஷினி ஒரு புக், விஷ்ணுபிரியா ஒரு 4 புக். இதெல்லாம் எதுக்கு நான் உங்களுக்கு பண்றேன்? கம்ப்ரஸிங் தி டெக்கேட்ஸ் இன்டு டேஸ்னு சொல்லுவாங்க சைக்காலஜில. 10 வருஷங்களை நாட்களா மாத்துறது. இத்தனை புக்ஸ்ல இருந்துட்டு ஒவ்வொருத்தர் சொல்யூஷன் கொடுக்கும். அது எவ்வளவு பெரிய ஒயாசிஸ் ஆஃப் லேர்னிங். எதுக்கு அப்புறம் இந்த மாதிரி இதெல்லாம் வந்துட்டு நான் டிசைன் பண்றேன்? ஸ்கூல் வாத்தியார் சொல்லி கொடுப்பானாங்க. இதை கொஞ்சம் கூட புரிஞ்சுக்காம அம்மாடி நெட்வொர்க் இஷ்யூனா என்ன போன் சுவிட்ச் ஆஃப் ஆயிடுச்சு அப்படின்னா என்ன அவங்களுக்கு என்ன ஊரை விட்டு தள்ளி வச்சிருக்காங்களா? ஒத்த போன் தான் யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு வேற ஒரு போன்ல இருந்து குரூப் பிரசன்னா உனக்கு ஒரு லீடருக்கு ஒரு ரத்தனிதிஷ்க்கு மெசேஜ் தக்ஷனுக்கு மெசேஜ் அனுப்ப வேண்டாம். வேண்டாத நேரத்துல வந்து வாய் அடிச்சுட்டு நேத்தும் கிளாஸுக்கு வரல, முதல் நாளும் ஒழுங்கா அட்டன் பண்ணல, இன்னைக்கு அட்டன் பண்ணல. அப்புறம் என்ன லேர்னிங்? வித் தி கைண்ட் ஆஃப் தி மணி தட் ஹிஸ் மாம் இஸ் பேயிங் டுவர்ட்ஸ் மீ, I am feeling injustice. Not teaching anything and receiving money from the parent. That's professional suicide, I would say.
Sorry, sir.
Are எனக்கு இருக்கிற அக்கறை கூட அவனுக்கு இல்லை. சரி, Ratan Guru Prasanna, you are not talking anything, not a word to Ashwathaman about this. Just ask him not to send any apologetic messages. I totally understand. ஆனா மைனஸ் கொடுத்ததுதான் சொல்லிட்டு அவனை நிறுத்து.
Okay.
See what we see on Monday.
Okay. I'm really sorry, sir.
Don't be. You need not be sorry. Yes. Dakshin, நான் சீக்ரெட் பத்தி பேசி என்னுடைய ஹார்ட் ஒர்க்கை வந்து ஃப்ரீயா கொடுக்குறேன் நீங்க நான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன். 2.5 மணி நேரம் ஃபுல் வாய்ஸ் நான் புக்கை படிச்சு தோட்டத்தறி வரைக்கும் படிச்சு ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணுறேன். பவர் புக்கு 4.5 மணி நேரம். இதில் 7 மணி நேரம் வாய்ஸ் நான் ஃப்ரீயா கொடுக்குறேன் நியூஸ் சொல்லியிருக்கேன். அதை கவனிக்கிறதுக்கு அவன் இல்லை. How irresponsible. Okay, so see you on Monday. Any other questions or any other additions?
No, sir.
No, sir.
All right. Okay, fine. So keep shining this strong. See you tomorrow with the years. Expect great things in life and live strong. Bye.
Expect great things in life, live
Bye,
strong,
sir. Bye,
sharing
friends.
things. Bye, sir.
Expect great things in life and live strong.
Bye. It's okay.
Bye. Bye. Yeah, you can leave. Sorry.
Vishnu Priyanka, so we have discussed all our books. Your set of books. Bye. Expect great things.
Bye, auntie. Bye, brother. Bye, Lakshmi.
Bye.
Bye, auntie.
Bye, friends. Expect great things in life.
Bye, Lakshmi. Bye, Lakshmi.
So I will read out the titles of your books. Can you please check if I have missed anything?
Okay, Mitra.
Yes.
Okay, first one is the Tirukkural in English. Then the life and the teachings of Buddha. And then the power of your subconscious mind. Then Tamil, Vivekananda's Tamil. One small step can change your life. The greatness guide. And who moved my cheese? Have I missed anything else?
No.
Bye. Okay, thank you. So that's why I asked you to stay. Thank you so much. Bye.